This video shows the current status of the Inmoov legs I've been working on. Each leg has 6 degrees of freedom, 3 in the hips, the knees 1, and the ankles 2. The ankles can roll and pitch. I've been building the parts either on a Tormax CNC or a Maker Gear 3D printer. I've been using Autodesk Inventor for the drawings and modeling. In post-processing, I've been using Autodesk Fusion 360. I have a rail on my ceiling and an electronic hoist hooked to it so I can keep the legs from falling over. So here I'm showing the legs bending down. There's 6 motors running right here, 3 in each leg. When it bends down, notice the platform leveling itself. So there's a 9-axis sensor on the platform, and it'll level the platform. I also have pressure sensors on the feet, so I can tell when the feet are on the ground. Here it is standing back up. Here I'm showing the same thing, bending down again, but I'm showing the back view. And watch, see it level the platform? So it bent down, then it levels the platform. I'm using a 12-volt power supply to power this. Here I'm about to take a step, so I move the blue weights over the top onto the leg that's standing on the floor. Now it actually reads that IMU 9-axis sensor, so it gets the ankle roll appropriately at the right place so it can pick up the opposite leg. Here you can see the leg is maybe a ½ inch off the floor, the left leg. It bends forward to take the step, and then it stands back up. And the blue weight, balance weight on the top, is moving back to the center. Now I'm taking a step with the other leg. The weight moved over the leg that's going to be firmly planted to the floor. Again, it's actually checking to see that the angle is correct and that there's pressure on that foot on the floor. Now it's starting to pick up the right leg and move it forward. I'm using a Adreno Mega processor for the brain, and the software is written in C++ at the moment. Here it took a step forward, the weight's moving back over the center, it's standing back up. Here's a back view of the same process. At some point I'd like to change to a Raspberry Pi and then use MRL software to drive this. Using a Raspberry Pi would be nice because then I can do more I can run more than one operation at a time. It's been a real challenge to get this far. I've broken numerous parts and made lots and lots of changes. Here you can see it leveling the platform again. So it's checking that sensor, the IMU, and leveling itself. You can see the cable hanging down from the ceiling up above in case it falls over.